Welcome to Portugal Arts channel, where we talk about arts, graphic design, make money online, building mindset for wealth and success. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, please. So if you are new to graphic design, I want you to stick around this my channel, watch my video tutorials and learn one or two how to design. So in this video, I want to show you how to design this Happy Sunday flyer on your Pixellab. So if you are new to graphic design, quickly go and download Pixellab app. This is the Pixellab app. Your own might be different from my own. So because there's where I downloaded this one, there's a place I downloaded it. So just open your Pixellab app. You will see a default text like this. Just click on it, tap on it, and click this delete icon at the top, and the text will move out. So click on this down area, this down part here. Click on this down part so that we change the background. Okay, so click this color. Now click on gradients. I already have the color saved on my phone, the color of the background. So for you, you might see a different color, so just choose the gradient. You will see this, you will see it like this. Now select the first color here. We have two colors. You select this one, and you also do what? Select this one. There are two colors. So select this one and choose the color icon. Select the color icon. Click on this pencil icon at the top. This pencil icon at the top here. Click on it. Then enter this color code. Just write it somewhere. Just write this color code somewhere. Okay. So this is the color code C26000, and click on the check. Okay. Click OK. Then this one, you see this one, the other color I selected, this color. So you click on it and click on the color icon. Click on this pencil icon at the top and enter the color code. So this is the color code. Click on the color code like this, or click on this check here, this one. Okay, just click on it and click OK. Now click OK again, and this is the color. So you will drag it like this to make it a little bit, just drag it like this and click OK. So we've got the background, we've got the color background. Click on this check. Now we have to go and import the image. Click on this plus sign at the top. You see the plus sign at the top? Okay, just click on it. I'll go to my gallery. Here's the image. I'll import it and click OK. Then drag it to fit. I can also rotate it. So let me rotate it like this. Hold here. This angle. Okay, sorry, let me hold it. Just click it like this and drag. Okay, position it very well, and then scroll down to okay, click here. Once you click here, so that you'll be able to, okay, just scroll like this, and then you see opacity. You see where I clicked? Let me drag this thing up. Just click this opacity. Okay, down here, you understand, this place down, click the opacity. Reduce the opacity. Just reduce it like this and click the check. Then you go here, you see the arrow. go here and lock, click here and then lock the image, click the lock icon, the key icon, so that the image will not be moving. Now I've locked it. Now let me go and import the text Sunday. I already designed it, so just click on this this arrow, this plus sign here, this plus sign at the top. Just click on this plus sign from my gallery. I already designed this Sunday. Maybe in my next video I will show you how I designed this Sunday text. Okay, just position it well at the center. Scroll to a relative position, click on the center one. Okay, click OK. Make sure you position it very well and then click here and lock it. Make sure you lock it so that the text will not be moving. Now I have to import the picture of the lady. Click on this same plus sign from gallery. You position it at the center, relative position, center. Then you lock it. Once you position it, you lock it. Then you enter the text happy. Just click on the plus sign, text, and then double click on that new text to type the letter happy, the text happy. Just type it and position it well. Okay, you can choose your fonts. This is the text I use, happy Sunday. Okay, just put the text like this. Once you position it well like this, then you go ahead and lock it. Make sure you lock it. Anything that you put, just lock it, because if you don't lock it, it will be moving. The text, anything you touch, the image, you'll be moving around. So let me quickly import those icons, those emoji icons from gallery. I have to go to sticker. This place, there's something I put here and here. Okay, this place, so I'm going to get that. Now you can enter your text. If you want to enter the text, just go ahead and enter the text. This is the text that you enter. Just bring the shape and do it like this. Drag it to fit and position it well. Then you put the color, the gradient color, and reduce opacity. Then you can also put the stroke, the white stroke. Okay, once you enter the white stroke like this, click the check. Now you can enter your text. So we just finished designing the Happy Sunday flyer. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope you learn how to design. Like I said, you have to stick around my channel if you want to learn about graphic design, how to make money online. All these tips, I'll be sharing it on my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks.